Hey everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm super excited to talk about the latest release of Llama 3.2. This is a big step in the world of open source AI models and I can't wait to dive in with you. So what exactly the Llama 3.2 is? It's a collection of a large language model available in sizes from 1 billion to a whopping of 90 billion ranges. This model is available in 4 different variants, 1B, 3B, 11B and 90B, which means 1B and 3B models are text-based models and the larger 11B and 90B models can process both text and images. So when we talk about the use cases, it's on-device application, which means that imagine summarizing discussions directly from your phone. The second one is enhanced productivity. Companies like DoorDash are using the Llama to streamline their internal processes. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can use this model, how you can download this model and create your own applications, and which platforms offers you the Llama 3.2 in their platforms, and you can utilize their APIs to create your own application. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is a Llama official website where you can get all the information regarding Llama 3.2. You can download the model from there, and whenever you click on the download, it will show you a form where you can download the Llama model 3.2 and other variants of Llama model. So this is our first platform, which is lmarena.ai. This is a platform where you can get the free Llama 3.2 model. First, click on Arena side by side. Here, as you can see, we have multiple options here of large language models. Some options is here, and Llama 3.2, 90B instruct, and the next model I have Llama 3.2 and 11B instruct. Now, write a program of prime number in Python. Okay, so this is the Llama 3.2 VN90B instruct, and this is Llama 3.2 VN11B instruct. Enter. So guys, here you can see that the Llama 3.2 VN11B instruct is much faster as compared to 90B. And my response are there, so it's a prime number function. Click on clear history. Now attach the file, define this image. So here, as you can see, the response has been generated, but the Llama 3.2B and 11B instruct faster as compared to 90B. So here, as you can see, that the image presents a product photo of a small Llama system, which is SN10 process. Right in the bottom right corner, a small QR code is visible, which may be used to do product tracking or authentication process. Now, this is a second platform, which is Hugging Face, which is providing you the Llama 3.2 11B V model. I have already mentioned the link in the description. So this is a multi-model Llama. First of all, attach the image and write the prompt here. Now click. So here, as you can see, it has already generated my response. So the piece you are referring is likely a painting or an artwork from the Art Nouveau era, which flourished between 1890 and 1910. Again, click on attachment, write define this image. So the response has been generated. It is showing me that the image presents a bar graph illustrating the performance of various models on different benchmark datasets. The graph is divided into two sections. The top sections display the model evaluation score, while the bottom section lists the benchmark dataset. Here you can see that the list of models: GPT 4.0 Mini, Gemini Flash, Claude Heku, GPT 3.5, and so on. So this is how you can use Llama 3.2 model on Hugging Face platform. Now this model is Llama 3.2 3B model instruct, which is also available in Hugging Face platform, and what you have to do is you just have to write a prompt here. Because it's a 3B, it's text to text based model, so I can't put the image. I just give a prompt in a text format. Can you explain briefly to me what is the Python programming language? Submit. Python programming language. Python is a high-level interpreted programming language that is widely used for various purposes such as web development, scientific computing, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. The next one is they're providing the key features: easy to learn, high-level language, interpreted languages, object-oriented, and large standard libraries. And it is also showing me that the use cases are web development, data analysis and science, artificial intelligence and machine learning, automation and scripting, education and research. Now I'm asking that what is Hadoop and how can I install it in Windows 11? Submit. So it is showing me that Hadoop is an open source distributed computing framework that stores data across clusters of computers. It's designed to handle a massive amount of data like big data by breaking down the large data set into the smallest piece of chunks. We have the core components which are HDFS, Hadoop, distributed file systems, library tracing, Yarn. These are the main components of Hadoop basically. Then we have how does Hadoop works, data integration, job submissions, mapper executions, and reduce execution storage. Then it's showing me that how you can install it in Windows 11 as well. Showing me that prerequisites, which is download and install Java, which is the most important component for Hadoop Java development kit. And then we have Git. Then we need to install Git Bash or PowerShell. And it also provides me the URL where I can get Hadoop file. It is also providing me the extract Hadoop commands, then a sample code. The sample code which is based on XML. So this is how we can get the Llama 3.2 3D model, which is also available in Hugging Face pages. Now, let's discuss about the Grok platform, which is a hardware-based company. It is also providing us the Llama 3.2 model. They are also providing us inference APIs. We can use these APIs and create our own application. So how you can use this model on Grok? First of all, login on Grok website. Here, as you can see, we have this type of platform, and this is the interface basically of the Grok. So what you have to do is you have the option use full chat, and this is a platform. Now in the right side panel you have multiple models where you can see that the Llama 3.2 3D preview. There are also models available here. So I'm going to choose the Llama 3.2 3B preview, which is smallest model. Now what you have to do is you just need to write a prompt here. You can say write a program of CRUD operation in Python. Press enter. So here you can see my response has been generated. So the CRUD operation in Python using Flask and SQLite. It is showing me that create, read, update, delete options. It will also show requirements, which is required for the Python code, which is Python 3.8 plus, Flask 2.0, and SQLite. Then it is also providing me the code. You just need to paste the code in your VS Code or whatever your environment is. In this code, it is showing me the current database. Okay. Then we have the user post method, which means that whenever I want to add a new employee, then we have the user get method. If I want to get all the employees, all the information regarding employees, then I can use this method. After that, I have the get method regarding ID. So as per this code, I can get any specific employee. Then we have a put method if I want to update any specific employee. And then we have a delete option here. Create a social media content post calendar. Enter. So here, as you can see, my response has been generated. Showing me the date, platform, content type, content, hashtags, call to action, CTA, and notes. So these are the titles. Date, it's a platform, basically Facebook. This is a content, hashtags, CTA, and the note. So it is also providing me the tips and variations. Use a color coding system to differentiate between a different content type. Then we have repost, add a budget, use a separate sheet. Then we have the best practices, post at least 3 to 5 times per week on each platform. Now here, as you can see, it is showing me the token, input token 833. Then we have the output token 624, and the total tokens are 1457. The total tokens per second about 2518 tokens. Now, the next platform we have Ollama.com. Ollama also providing us the Llama 3.2 different variants, one being also available, which is about 1.3 GB. So how you can download the Llama 3.2 different variants from Ollama? What you have to do is you just have to copy this command which is Ollama run Llama 3.2. Copy this command and open the command prompt, and you just need to type the command here, or you just need to paste the command. But before typing this command, you need to make sure that Ollama must be installed in your machine. For this one, you need to click on the download button, and you can download the Ollama from this website. After installation, you just need to open the Ollama, and here you can see that my Ollama is currently running. The logs is showing all the files regarding Ollama, and you just need to type local 11434 enter. It's showing you this message that Ollama is running. It means that Ollama in your local machine and it is currently running. Now open command prompt again, type Ollama dash dash help. It will show you all the commands that how you can use Ollama. So in the first command, it will show me that start Ollama. So what you have to do is you just have to copy this command and paste in command prompt Ollama run Llama 3.2 1b enter. You just need to type Ollama list. It will show you all the models which is available in your local machine. Now type Ollama run Llama 3.2 1b enter. Now type hi. What is machine learning? So the response has been generated. It's showing me that machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence that involves training algorithms to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Image recognition, natural language processing, predictive analysis, recommendation system. Then we have machine learning involves several key points, which is data, algorithms, trainings, models. Then we have another thing, which are the types of machine learning, which including like supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement. Then we have automation, scalability, and accuracy, which are the basically benefits of the machine learning. Then we have some challenges, data quality, outputting, ethics. Then so this is a summarized format of the answer that what actually machine learning is. So the next question is, so here is a program of a prime number in C#. Now the next prompt is rephrase paragraph, and this is a paragraph basically enter. So this is a rephrased version of my paragraph. So guys, this is how you can use Ollama platform and you can use this model in your local machine. So let me show you that how you can use Together AI API and use this model in your local machine. First of all, click on Get Started. You just need to first log in, click on Sign In. So after login, it will show you the API key. You can copy this API key, and this is basically the interface of Together AI. So this is a UI and this is the API section. And on the right side, you can see that the different type of models in which we have the Llama 3.2 as well, Llama 3.2 11b, Llama 3.2 90b vegan, and others. And also we have the set of parameters, like you can control your prompt from these parameters. So here you can type, write a paragraph about AI in healthcare, enter. So here, as you can see, I got the response, which is about 168 tokens. This model is basically about text and VN as well. So I'm going to attach my image. Click on add image. Define this image. So it is showing me that the image presents a bar graph comparing the performance of the various models on a range of benchmark with the title model evaluation scores. Then we have the graph is divided into two sections. The top section lists the model's evaluation score, while the bottom section displays the evaluation benchmark. So it is talking about these two things. Then we have the model evaluation scores: GPT-4o Mini, Gemini Flash, Claude Echo, Gemini 3.5 Turbo, GPT-4o. Then we have the evaluation benchmark and so on. Then we have the graph, which is showing that the range from 0 to 100 and which is on x-axis. Results suggest that the GPT-4o Mini and GPT-3.5 Turbo are the top performing models. Define this product. So the response has been generated. The product is a microprocessor and specifically from the some of our systems, which is SN10. Correct. That's a correct answer basically. So this is how you can use it together AI application. Now I'm going to tell you that where you can get the API of Together AI. If you want to use this model with the help of Together API, then how you can use this inference APIs. Click on API and here as you can see this is the API code. So you just need to copy the code from this page, or even if you are using the typescripting curl command you can also get the code. I'm using the Python, so I just want to copy this code, paste it in your development environment. But before this one, I'm going to tell you that where you can get a complete application which is based on Llama 3.2, which is using Together AI API. What you have to do is you just have to open GitHub, go to my profile, click on repository, and here you can see that Together AI application. You just need to click on this. After that, click on this button and copy this URL. Open the terminal and type git clone and paste the command and press enter. Now, as you can see, the folder has been downloaded. Now type cd Llama 3.2 application together. Now I'm in this folder. Open the folder and this is the main file which is app.py. Here you just need to type the Together API. Go to the platform, settings, API keys. This is the API key. Copy this and paste it in your project file. Paste your API key here. Now what you have to do is you just have to write Python app. Now it is asking you that type your question or give image. If you want to give the image, you just need to type image and press enter. Now define the URL. This is my image URL. Question will be describe this image. Enter. So here as you can see it is defined me that the definition of the image presents a bar chart with the title bar chart. In the top left corner, the chart features 6 categories. Each represents by the distinct and labeled. And the categories are category A, which is in red, category B, orange, category C, yellow. Let me check that it's correct or not. First of all, go back to your image. So this is basically the image. The first bar which shows that the category A is red, then orange, then yellow, then we have orange, yellow, green, blue, and then purple. Then we have a category A has a highest value approximately 25. Category F has a lowest value which is around 10. Category B, C, and D have a relatively close, and category E has a value of approximately 11. So this is how you can get the information from the image. Now type Python and type again app. Now type question. Now type your question. What is largest prime number? So here is the answer. It's showing me that unfortunately there is no largest prime number. Prime numbers are the numbers that are divisible only by 1 and themselves. Then we have Mersenne prime number, which is around this value, 2 raised to power 825899933. Suppose if you got the prime number, then you will get the 24 million digit value, which is a huge number. Generalized Fermat prime, which is about 9 million digits. Now, our next platform is Fireworks. Fireworks also provides you the Llama 3.2 model, which is available in the platform, and you can utilize this model with the help of Fireworks API. So let me show you how you can utilize this model from Fireworks. Open the fireworks.ai/model, click on try now, and now click on login with Google. After logging this platform, it will show you this type of interface. It's showing me a chat, then we have the token limit, maximum context, and it is showing that try out Llama 3.2. Now type write code of corruption in C# So here the response has been generated in which we have the current operation which have different functions create, read, update, delete, the ID, name and email as well. After that we have the options of list in which we can create, read, update and delete. Now if we want to give image and ask something regarding image, so what you have to do is you have the option to delete the chat, upload the image. Again I'll give the same image, define me this image. It is much faster. So as you can see, the response has been generated. The model evaluation score, which is about GPT-4o mini. Then we have Gemini Flash, Claude Eco. So these are the values which are used in this image. Now, if you want to change the temperature, you can change the temperature according to your requirement. Temperature is basically like if you want that chatbot responds you dynamically. So this is how you can control the temperature as well as you can set the token limitations. Now, the next thing is if you want to use the Firefox API and deploy this model in your local machine. How it will work? Let me show you. First of all, in the right side, as you can see, we have a green button here to view code. It will show you the different types of programming languages in which we have TypeScripting, Python, Java, Go, Shell. I'm using the Python, so if you are using any other language like Java, Go, Shell, so you can copy the code as per your requirement, but I'm using the Python, so I'm just copying this code and paste it in my development environment. But before this one, I'm going to show you that how you can download a complete application which is using the Llama 3.2 model. Go to the GitHub. In my profile, as you can see, this is Meta Llama 3.2 application Fireworks. Now what you have to do is you just need to copy this URL and type git clone paste enter. After this, you will get this type of folder Fireworks Meta Llama 3.2 and this is a file in which we have a code. You can ask a question from this model in form of text or even you can give the image as well. So where you can get the Fireworks API. Click on this icon. Here, as you can see, we have the API key. Now, create a secure API key and create. Now, paste your API key and type cd and the folder name is Fireworks Llama 3.2. I'm in this folder. Now, type Python tab. So, it is asking me that type image to give the image of this model or you can type question to ask the question. Because I'm using the Vn model. This is the model name which is Vn model 11b. Type image, enter and the image URL is this one. Press enter. So here my response has been generated. The image shows the Google headquarters in Mountain View, California. The building is a large and modern structure. The next is the building has a large sign on the front that reads Google in multicolored letters with a sleek glass building and the colorful Android statue. It's showing me the detail of this image. So that was the image. So you can use Fireworks API to get the model response. So guys, in this video we have discussed a complete demo about Llama 3.2 model, how you can use this model, how you can deploy this model, and how you can download this model in your local machine and create your own AI applications. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will be joining you in the next video. Take care.